Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video on my channel. So today I'm to tell about Bull. Okay, the best star powers, the gadget. Only one gadget is there. Okay, best maps, tips and tricks. Okay, so first, like the best maps for Bull and Jump Grab are Hard Rock Pine and Minecraft Fort. Mesh Fort, and then Double Switch and Undermine are like average. I just prefer them if you're like very good with Bull. And Showdown we have Skull Creek, Feaster, Famine, Scavenger. Then in Heist we have Hot Potato and Gifted Jumps. Gift Jumps was actually called Sandy Jumps before, so you have to remember that in Heist. Let me show you the map. Yeah, it's this one. It's before this one. Map was called before Sandy Jumps. You can see on my screen right now. This map was called Sandy Jumps before. Okay. I'm using the screen recorder because I just wanted to show you where I was showing. And then Bounty we have Snake Pile. This is the best map for Bull as of now. In Brawl Ball, Sneaky Field center stage is there. Hot Zone Massive Attack. This might not sound much, but these are a lot of maps. Okay, so now today I'm going to tell about Brawl Ball. See, even I like Bull so much that I pushed him to rank 25 now. So the best is Bounty as I told you. But if you have a teammate who has a bow, who is max with the star power, like the first one, or who has Tara is okay. But I prefer Bo better because Tara is like only for a limited time, okay, you know. That is why. I'll just show you now. What? Wait a second. I'll just figure this problem out and come back. Yeah, I think it's fixed now. Yeah, it's fixed. Yeah, let me just show you. Right? You can just see how to play. Yeah, if you want your like the bow can use any gadget. If you want to destroy some particular lanes, you can use your gadget, pop off your gadget as soon as possible. Just don't die like that. Oh, my friend's iPad just crashed. He just told me. Hey, you just go and spray, okay? Just try to stay near him because if there's a Shelly, just try to stay near the bow because they're like you can get like a Shelly with super and you're gonna get out immediately. Okay. Just try to get as close as possible. If you are not uncomfortable with the line, if like opponents are just coming through one line and you can't keep up with that, just use your super and break the other line so that they will only come through the one line that they have. Yeah, and bull deals a lot of damage. So I prefer to like maps which have a lot of grass. Yeah, but in any game mode, you use the second star part, the shield one, which I'm using right now. But if you have like heist, or is it heist? Yep, heist. If you have heist, just use the second one. I mean the first one, which will increase your reload speed, which will let you have a high DPS for the safe. You can use the super for aggro or for defense also, like to run away or like to get kills. You can use for anything. But in big game and all, I use it for like I just use my super, do a few attacks and then die. If I already have my super and I'm near my opponent, then I'll just go near, use pop up my attacks and then run away because surviving is also important in big game and all. Yeah, Bull has a lot of DPS, remember. So that is why I prefer you to use him in this one also. What is that? I can't remember what is it called. The the big game, no, not the big game one. Robo Rumble, yeah, he's so good in Robo Rumble. Just because you can like heal and all. Okay, now let me show you some solo showdown maps. I told you a few, right? Skull Creek, Feaster, Famine, and Cavern. I prefer Feaster Famine. Let's play solos. I'll just show you solos now. He's offline. Oh, his iPad crashed again. His iPad is like old version. When I used to play in iPad, mine was also old. So then I started in phone. Then I started this YouTube channel. Waited. Let's see if he logs back on. He's on. Yeah, use whatever brawler you want, bro. Oh wait, it's glitched again for me. Wait a second. Yeah, remember guys, but in solo showdown you're going to face a lot of in like these maps which I said, you're going to face a lot of Shelly's, bulls, other bulls, and then Daryl's. Okay, Daryl's are very good in heist because he can prop up like 3500 damage or so with one shot. Okay, next, where is Glista again? Wait a second. Yeah, as I was saying, I just relogged and back. Okay, so it's like the number of shotgunners are so many in these, so you have to be very cautious and careful. If you are playing showdown, just look at the brawlers right now. See, I just saw them above, and then my friend over there. Yeah, see, if you have two power cubes, it's enough for you to two shot uh, uh, brawl boxes. If they're like at 6,000, but if they're less than 6,000, like 5,500 at a maximum, then you'll be able to two shot them from the start. Oh, M's are also good in these ones. There are no modifiers. If the modifiers were there, it would be way better to show you guys. Yeah, the Shellys are like very strong because if they have a super, you have a very slim chance of winning, but you still have a chance. Because I bet many Shellys multiple times. Oh, my friend got out. Because Shellys are if they have the super, the knockback is the main. So if they have, see, you have to try to be careful like this. See, you have a low chance of winning, but if they don't have low ammo, if they have only like one ammo, then you can still lose, but if you have a higher chance of winning. Or if they're like, if you catch them off guard, or if they're in the middle of a battle. Yeah, if there's a Mortis in this match, you're just so lucky. Because if a Mortis needs to attack, he needs to come near you. In that time, you can pop up 2 attacks and he's dead, voila. In 2 seconds. Where is that 8-bit now? Yeah, he's there. Okay, boy. Let me line this up. Ah, oh my god. OP bots. He was using the what is that called? His station to tank himself. What are these? People are joining and leaving. Yeah, let me show you another game mode. Now I'll show you heist. So I prefer this one, okay. And then I'll say my friend to use like a thrower brawler. Use dynamite. You can use You can have your teammate use dynamite with demolition start pad because it's gonna deal like 4,000 damage to the safe. Star power, bro, not the gadget. Remember. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, but wait a second. I'll be back. Yeah, I'm back. Yeah, if you have, I told one was dynamite and another one, then you can have like a Pam, or this one has a lot of like a lot of grass, right? So you can have another what is that? Throw, not throw. You can have double throws, or you can have Pam and Pam or Rosa, because Rosa means you can use her star power, which will heal them. Oh, I used the wrong star power. Wait, I'll be back again. Yeah, the match is done. That match took like forever. Yeah, let me just change my star power. It is offline. I think his iPad crashed again. It's crashing too much. Yeah, so I just changed my star power, as you can see. But the bull has only one gadget. See, there's one out of one over here. Some brawlers have two, like Shelly. This one, the second one. I don't know. I didn't check it out that much. I don't like to like I have preview of the brawler before it releases. I just like to see them. I don't like to try them because like it reduces the craze for me. Yeah, the other brawler can be a spawner like Penny with the second one, balls of fire star power. Okay, I'm just trying to get my super right now, so then I can just charge him. Charging in is better than like just going for that. Yeah, you should heal. You should try not to heal too much, but you should heal. Or otherwise you're gonna get out. But if you heal too much, your star power is gonna go. It's like a tricky thing to do. You can do like 2,800 per shot, but if you like have the star power, if you're using the star power, you'll get more damage. because you'll have double time reload speed. Yeah, why I said Nita or Jesse is good because Nita star per second one, that like the 40% increase, which has a lot of DPS. Or you can have like Jesse with the second gadget because that will also have a lot of DPS. See, I'll just do like 7% damage. That's exactly 7%. One more hit. No, one more. Yeah, done. Yeah, so that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.